you how to log into Hancock Whitney Bank account. Before we begin, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos like this one. On that note, let's get started. First, open any web browser you have available and then search for Hancock Whitney Bank. So once you search for it, you can see the very first link is this one, and if you click on it, this will directly take you to the official website of the bank where you can log in. So you will directly be greeted by this login portal right here, so you don't need to click anywhere to log in. You just simply click the official website link and you will be greeted with this web page. Here you can see the type of account you want to log into, so just choose the type of the account you want to log in. I presume most of you only use your personal online banking, so just choose that one. Then you can enter your username and your password. Once you have done that, what you can do is just click on this view your account, or if you don't have an account already, you can just click on open an account to create a new one. And if you forgot your username or your password, you can click on this one. This will guide you through on how you can recover your username or password. And I hope this video was helpful. For more videos like this, consider subscribing to the channel and please hit like on the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.